Just got one of these in. This is the Crossfire C7. Right away, because the surround is so small on the TI frame, you can tell that they've limited this. The use of the TI frame is not appropriate, but it looks good, and that's what, you know, you get to charge a bunch of money for this thing. I don't even know what the fucking retail on this thing is. Probably costs about $150 to make, and then they sell it for $700, $800, maybe $1,000, depending on who you get it from. So the cone is actually pretty stiff. It's a paper with a glass fiber laminate, double stitched. Again, the surround is too small to give it any real excursion. So, and of course it does have the 10-inch spider, but you can see right away 50mm wind height. So again, it doesn't need to be on the TI frame. You can easily get the same excursion using a 4-spoke or a 12-spoke frame. So this one came in with a little bit of damage. Somebody dropped it or whatever, but it's fine. What I'll do is I think I quoted them 200, and so what I'll do is I'll stay at 200, but then I'll swap out the frames. So then I get the TI frame, and then he gets a regular 8-inch spider frame, which again is fine. So, and then I'll probably use the same. Oh, I moved it. I have I forget what series it is. It's from Lord of Bass, and then we have this cap and a big dish cap. So, but that's what I'll do for this one. C7, not really that big. It's basically like I think it's a triple stack, or did they use 2? I think they used 2 slugs. It's not really that tall, you know, so you can't really justify 3 inches of excursion. But I think if I remember right, I built a 10 or a 12 out of a couple that we had spare, and then again, I just used the 4-spoke frame or a 12-spoke frame. So nothing fancy, just, you know, again, watch your values, watch what you're paying. Is there any markings in the back? There you go. C7 series, 15D1, 12, yeah, it's about 1200 watts, but it's basically the same as, speaking of Soundstream, the SPLX. That's what this motor is. It's slightly larger than the SPLX, but for the most part, it's basically the same. Anyways, that's my review on them. It's overpriced. Don't blow your money on it retail. If you get some dead ones, you know, give them like 50 bucks, maybe 100, because the frame is 50 and then the motor is 50 easy. So other than that, I love you guys.